Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared, how do I split a list into equally sized chunks? To split a list into equally sized chunks, you can use the built-in chunk size function from the itertools module in Python. Here's an example code snippet that demonstrates how to split a list into equally sized chunks. Now let me run this example code. Here's the output you will get. In the example above, we define a function called chunks that takes two arguments, a list lst and an integer n representing the chunk size. The range function is used to generate the starting and ending indexes for each chunk, and then the yield statement is used to return each chunk one at a time. Note that the last chunk may have fewer elements if the length of the original list is not evenly divisible by the chunk size. In the example above, the last chunk only contains one element because the length of the list is not evenly divisible by 3. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.